What hobby do you find attractive in someone?
Oh, that's a good question.
I like sports, you know. I like traveling a lot. My two favorite hobbies, and honestly, I find it attractive on someone.
Reading?
Reading, okay.
Yeah.
That's actually one of the most popular.
Yeah.
Soccer. I think men playing soccer is very attractive.
Any kind of manual work. Everybody's so tech focused these days. Not a lot of people know how to do like basic things around the house, whether it's building furniture or doing something electrical, you know, like things get broken all the time. And I'm speaking for myself. Sometimes I have no idea how to deal with that.
I think often with a lot of hobbies now, it's about consuming, like consuming social media, eating. I think it's attractive when someone's actually making something as opposed to consuming it as well.
Creating anything really, instead of just asking for others or AI to do it.
Yes.
Especially now, AI does everything.
We've got the top 15 least attractive hobbies. Do you want to guess what one of them are?
I don't know. I reckon just having a hobby is quite like, you know, having something that you enjoy doing and that you care about. I did meet a lady the other day who told me to never date a climber. So maybe I'll go with that.
Having something you're passionate about is attractive in itself, right?
Yeah.
So we've got comic book. We have something that makes you eat a lot of food. Marijuana is one of the least popular as well.
To be fair, I have never thought about it yet. Not to be an active person.
I think wrestling. Men's wrestling is not very attractive.
Two men that close to each other, right?
Yeah. All over each other.
Talking about his gym routine or I get that a lot, unfortunately. I really don't care.
Exercise is very important to you, and I think having a hobby that you like to do with someone is very important as well.
Yes, of course.
It's interesting because actually my background is in sports science. I work as a PT, but that's just a small part of my life. I have so many other interests.
Yeah.
And when somebody knows what I do for a living, it's like,
Oh yeah, I lift this.
like I don't really care. You know, like, thank you. Okay, it's very impressive, but we were talking about something else.
That was not one of the 15, but maybe they should add it. The worst one is gambling. The second worst one is pornography.
Yeah.
Best or the most attractive is apparently reading.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't know that pornography counted as a hobby, to be honest with you.
I guess to some people it is. We all have different hobbies, right?
That's true.